Hello and welcome back to Quiz Rainbow. We wrapped up something extra special just for you. And trust me, these mystery gifts are full of surprises. Let's get started. Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Rainbow channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's make your very first pick. Are you taking the adorable Roomy phone, the cool Stitch phone, or the mystery gift? Ooh, shiny. The diamond phone's a fantastic pick. Hut pool, harm pool, or are you going to take a chance on the mystery gift? The Stitch pool's calling your name. One of these is about to become your new best buddy. Which one will it be? And the mystery gift is a cute elephant. Pick your new AirPods, Atlas, Creeper, or the mystery gift. Amazing! Princess Peach AirPods here. Gold ice cream, gold steak, or the mystery dish. A gold burger? I'd love a bite. Barbie room, Moana room, or the mystery gift. Minion room. Time to shake things up with a quick memory test. Okay, where did Kitty end up? Number 2. Yep, you absolutely crushed it. What do you think's hiding inside today's mystery gift? Sour rolls. Do you think you picked a winner this time? Absolutely, a Woody house. Only one car can be yours. Which one are you choosing? This just got even cooler. A luxury Porsche. Don't let the burger escape. Which cloche is it hiding under? Found you! Number 1 was the hiding place. Who's stealing the show? Minions, Creeper, or the mystery character? Look at Luigi go! Ooh, a Stitch bed, a Hello Kitty bed, or are you feeling brave enough to open the mystery gift? Buzz Lightyear bed. Any guesses? What's waiting inside the mystery gift this time? Mr. Beast Restaurant. What do you think's hiding inside today's mystery gift? Rare rainbow squishy dumpling. This round already looks delicious. Which cup are you reaching for first? Yuck! It's a slime milkshake. Choose your squishy dumpling. Are you feeling lucky today? Have a private resort, own a private island, or well, that's a toy yacht. Travel to Bahamas, travel to Maldives, or to a mystery destination. Travel to Bora Bora. Would you choose Pizza Hut, McDonald's, or the third option? Comment your dream restaurant below. There's a mystery snack waiting for you. It's a Takis. Who's ready for a brand new pair of shoes? Would you pick Nike, Puma, or the mystery shoe? Balenciaga shoes. Time to make your choice. Would you love to have a Mario dog's house, Labubu dog's house, or a mystery house? Yay! A Stitch dog's house. Would you choose Mercedes or Bugatti or the mystery car? Amazing! Lamborghini. Would you rather diamond necklace, diamond crown, or the mystery gift? Diamond dress. Would you rather eat beluga caviar, cheesy pizza, or golden lobster? Now that's a fancy dinner. The choice is yours. This is probably the safest option. Do you prefer sapphire, ruby, or the mystery gift? I should have chosen the ruby. Which season do you like best? Summer, winter, or Eternal spring. Game room, home gym, or the mystery prize this round? A cinema room. Blue staircase, orange staircase, or the secret gift? Rainbow staircase. Tennis court, golf court, or the mystery gift? Basketball court. Would you rather sleep on a kiwi bed, lemon bed, or open the mystery gift? Tomato bed. Choose your favorite perfume, Sonic, Kirby, or someone inside the box. Roomy perfume. Would you rather motorbike, car, or open the mystery gift? It's a bicycle. Live in New York, live in Paris, or take a chance on the mystery gift? Live in Dubai. Choose your fast food squishy. Can you guess what's inside? Smash burger, fried chicken, or the secret gift? Amazing! Hot wings. Mr. B's jacuzzi or McDonald's jacuzzi, or the mystery gift? Taco Bell jacuzzi. This is a tough choice. What's your decision? Bingo! You just unlocked the golden laptop. Would you rather Louis Vuitton, Dior, or the secret gift? Amazing! It's Hermes bag. Would you rather like the video, subscribe to the channel, or the mystery gift in this challenge? You have to comment your lucky number. Spaghetti, ramen, or open the mystery gift. It's sushi. Orange chair, dragon fruit chair, or open the mystery gift. Blueberry chair. Next round, what will it be? a human robot. This mystery gift could be anything. What do you think we'll find? Own a villa. Skittles, M&Ms, or open the right gift. Candy corn. Make your right choice. Rabbit, cow, or mystery pet for you. It's a penguin. Which night lamp are you choose? Thank you for participating in today's challenge. If you like this video, remember to press the subscribe button and turn on notifications. See you again in the next video. Goodbye.